Maths करो music के साथ ये सब नहीं था. So is it the case we have not understood maths? We have not been the maths teachers? Yes, we have been. But in our generation or your generation, how much percentage of people have become a maths teacher? 20%? Not more than that. Even not that. That means the teachers who used to teach, they would reach only to those students who had acumen about maths. We had liking about maths. We had mathematical logic. We have understood our professors or teachers. To teach to every student who has got artistic intelligence, because the student will have to find out, either considering x or 1 unit, total area, then area of the half triangle, half of the square, then 1/4, then to be added, then percentage is to be found out. But very much you can give this question, because the question isn't just, you can attract the students' attention through this question. So this art integration does not mean you will have to draw. That is not that. But if you will have to horizontally integrate with the art teacher. Because we cannot afford a student to be weak in maths for not knowing English. In maths for not knowing English. Now, when problem sums are given, then better you follow. The population of a city is 50,000. If it increases by 4% per year, find the population. Let the percentage of son or father be unanimous X. Why not A? Why not P? Why not M? Why not? Because we math teachers have synonymized algebra with X. When algebra comes, subject becomes abstract to the students. I have never seen in none of the workshops, none of the teachers to teach algebra with some other variable. Please do it. When you will teach linear equation, do one question by P, one question by M, one question by Y, one question by X. We are narrowing down their thinking. The applicability we are reducing. Neither we think, because our teachers have also taught by X, we are transferring the system. So whenever, make it a point, linear equation, as soon as you start teaching, in the question paper, in the classes, keep the question. I'm not saying that troubling yourself by making a question, no. Take the question from the book but change the name of the variable. So that students' thinking ability will be enhanced. That is very important. Now take this question. At the beginning of a swimming camp, the number of boys was 5 times the number of girls. After 144 boys left the camp, 144 boys left, there were twice as many girls as boys. 144 boys left, then the remaining girls are twice the remaining boys. Total, how many students were there in the beginning? Find it out. Those who come in 6, they give the same answer in 7. And those students only go on making this mistake. Because to them, 10x plus 3y, why not 13, it is not clear. This conceptual error. We say that they are weak in maths, is conceptual error. I could not transfer or penetrate the concept. So you can try with this worksheet, because this has given a very 13 burger chips. They will say, no, 10 burgers, 3 chips. Then you again say them, is it not 30 burger chips? They will tell that it is no, it is 10 burger, 3 chips. Ask this question 3-4 times, and giving the answer, is it 13 burger chips? It is 30 burger. You say it confidently from their brain and mind that it is 10 burger and 3 chips. Discuss in the staff room, the teachers to look at the calendar at least and to ask some question about it sometimes. So if it is cube root of 8, quite normal, the teacher can ask, is it 2nd of January? But why 3 and 8 written there? 2 to not written. Why 3 and 8 written there? The student who has made it, first time the child will get the opportunity to teach the teacher how cube root of 8 is 2. If the student can do it properly, that means cube root concept is clear to the child. That is your aim. Full English. Question is, convert this into capital letter. Convert this expression into, I have not said any number. Small letters, convert into capital letter. Now y. What is the place value of y? What is the value of y? 3. Which letter is there in capital in third place value? C. X. What is the value of x? 2. B. Y into z plus x to the power x. Y into z plus x to the power x. How much?
19.
Which letter?
S.
Z.
19. 5.
Which letter?
E.
For which we are here together today? CBSE. There was in your table, one colored paper is given. So, don't start working first. Let me finish. Transfer the knowledge. We give 2-3 examples. From where we say is perimeter same does not mean area same. So everybody cannot take it. Don't consider everyone with acumen of maths. So do it. I think at least 50-60% problem of this one will be eradicated. 1/4. 1/8. 1/16. This much do we all teach, na? Teach this much. I am not saying do anything beyond your curriculum. But the problem is that many students do not have the clear idea about which one is bigger, 1/4 or 1/8. Many students do not have. We say finally, dono side ko reciprocate karo and they will be, means so big portion. And here when we are drawing the green, it is becoming so small. Here all small. Because the child is drawing it with fun, without stress. So when the child will draw, the child automatically will see that it is becoming small. Maybe they will ask you, let them ask. Because they have already experienced it is smaller. So from this, can't you teach what is the value of the tail? Addition, what is the value of the body? What is the difference between the body and the tail? Arrange the values of head, body and tail in the descending order. You can do it. As the student has already invested 6 days time on this, first coloring. This is also known to them. Cross. Just if you join above part, it becomes a triangle. 2 triangles. Everything is there in your classwork copy. This is a tick mark. Right mark. Greater than, smaller than sign. Everything students are acquainted with. It is a row or circle, whatever it is. From the very nursery, they know how to write a O. Now, just all these things are scattered. Rearrange them. Rearrange them. 2 tick marks in the 2 sides. And greater than, smaller than signs below. Who has told that we are not the artists? Everything is there in your classwork copy. Your duty is hand over this one to your art teacher. Say that it is my raw material, please use it. And this is a finished product by the art teacher. Don't you think the student who is good in art but not in mathematics, when they will see that yes, my maths project is being exhibited in the maths exhibition, the student will feel happy. Mathematics. Next. 2, 4, 2, 2. Dha, dha, tit, tit, katta, gaddi, khenne. Dha, dha, tit, tit, katta, gaddi, khenne. 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2. The third. 3, 3, 2. Katte, katte, tette, tette, katte, katte, tette, tette, 3, 3, 2, 2. And 2, 4, 4. Dha, din, dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha. Full of mathematics. So, complete the question that write the appropriate tal or bowl of the day. So, be the maths teacher for all. Be the maths teachers for the students who knows art, who knows English, who knows music. Because